Welcome to Financial Mastery Insights. Today we're diving into the unconventional money wisdom of one of the most fascinating and talked about figures of our time, Elon Musk. From Tesla to SpaceX, Musk isn't just redefining industries. He's also challenging everything we think we know about building wealth. His approach to money is anything but ordinary, and that's exactly why we need to pay attention. In this video, we'll break down Musk's unique financial mindset, his bold risk-taking, relentless focus on innovation, and long-term vision for investing in the future. Unlike traditional wealth-building advice, Musk's strategies defy the norm, yet they've propelled him to become one of the richest people on the planet. But here's what makes Musk truly intriguing. It's not just about his fortune, it's about how he thinks about money. He challenges the status quo, and his mindset can inspire us to rethink our own financial journeys. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or simply looking for smarter ways to grow your wealth, there's a lot to learn from his playbook. So stick around as we uncover the powerful money lessons from Elon Musk. Lessons that could reshape the way you approach your finances and set you on the path to financial success. Let's get started. Number 1, Musk's philosophy on risk. Elon Musk's approach to financial ventures is heavily rooted in his willingness to embrace calculated risks. Unlike many traditional investors who prioritize safety and stability, Musk believes that taking bold risks is essential for achieving significant financial success. He often emphasizes that the greatest rewards come from stepping outside of one's comfort zone and pursuing innovative ideas, even when the odds seem stacked against you. One of the most notable examples of Musk's risk-taking is his decision to invest nearly all of his personal wealth into Tesla and SpaceX during their early days. At a time when both companies faced immense challenges and skepticism, Musk poured his resources into these ventures, demonstrating his unwavering belief in their potential. This gamble ultimately paid off, as both companies have transformed industries and generated substantial returns. Musk's philosophy encourages us to evaluate our own risk tolerance when it comes to wealth building. While not everyone may be comfortable with the level of risk Musk embraces, understanding your own limits can help you make informed decisions about investments. It's important to recognize that calculated risks can lead to growth and innovation, whether in business or personal finance. As you consider your financial journey, think about how you can incorporate a bit of Musk's daring spirit into your own strategies, balancing ambition with a clear understanding of the risks involved. Number 2, investing in yourself. Elon Musk often emphasizes that one of the most valuable investments you can make is in yourself. He believes that continuous learning and skill enhancement are crucial components of achieving long-term success and financial independence. In a rapidly changing world, staying ahead means constantly updating your knowledge and abilities, and Musk embodies this principle in his own life. For instance, Musk is known for his voracious reading habits. He has often shared that he learned about rocket science and engineering through books, despite having no formal education in those fields. This self-directed learning allowed him to launch SpaceX and revolutionize the aerospace industry. His journey illustrates that investing time in personal development can lead to groundbreaking achievements, regardless of your starting point. Musk's commitment to personal growth extends beyond just acquiring knowledge. It also involves honing skills that can be applied in real-world scenarios. He encourages aspiring entrepreneurs and professionals to seek out experiences that challenge them, whether through formal education, online courses, or hands-on projects. As you watch this video, consider how you can invest in your own growth. Set aside time for learning, seek mentorship, and embrace new challenges. Remember, the skills and knowledge you acquire today can pave the way for your future success. By following Musk's example, you can turn personal development into a powerful wealth strategy that pays dividends for years to come. Number 3, networking and collaboration. In the world of business and finance, the significance of building relationships cannot be overstated, and Elon Musk is a prime example of how collaboration can lead to remarkable success. Musk firmly believes that networking and forming strategic partnerships are essential components of achieving financial goals. He understands that no one can succeed in isolation. Instead, leveraging the strengths and expertise of others can create powerful synergies. One notable example of Musk's collaborative spirit is his partnership with NASA. By working together, SpaceX and NASA have achieved groundbreaking milestones in space exploration, including the successful launch and return of astronauts to the International Space Station. This collaboration not only advanced space technology, but also opened up new avenues for commercial space travel, showcasing how partnerships can lead to mutual benefits and financial success. Another example is Musk's relationship with various investors and co-founders throughout his career. His ability to attract like-minded individuals who share his vision has been instrumental in the growth of companies like Tesla and PayPal. These connections have provided not just funding, but also invaluable insights and support. As you watch this video, consider the importance of expanding your own professional network. Attend industry events, engage with peers on social media, and seek out mentorship opportunities. Building relationships can lead to new opportunities, collaborations, and insights that can significantly enhance your financial journey. Remember, in the world of wealth building, who you know can be just as important as what you know. Number 4, thinking outside the box. Elon Musk is renowned for his unconventional approaches to problem solving and wealth creation, often challenging the norms of traditional business practices. His innovative thinking has led to groundbreaking breakthroughs that not only transformed industries, but also generated significant financial success. Musk's ability to think outside the box is a key factor in his achievements, and it serves as an inspiration for anyone looking to enhance their financial journey. One striking example of Musk's innovative mindset is the development of the Tesla Gigafactory. Instead of relying on conventional manufacturing methods, Musk envisioned a massive facility that would streamline production and reduce costs. This bold move not only revolutionized electric vehicle manufacturing, but also positioned Tesla as a leader in the automotive industry, resulting in substantial financial gains. Another instance is Musk's approach to space travel with SpaceX. By rethinking rocket design and focusing on reusability, he drastically reduced the cost of launching payloads into space. This unconventional strategy opened up new markets and opportunities, making space exploration more accessible and profitable. As you watch this video, consider how you can challenge traditional methods in your own life. Embrace creativity and think critically about the problems you face. Unconventional thinking can lead to unique investment opportunities and innovative solutions that set you apart from the competition. By adopting a mindset similar to Musk's, you can unlock new pathways to financial success and create value in unexpected ways. In this video, we've explored the unconventional money advice of Elon Musk, highlighting key strategies that can inspire your own financial journey. First and foremost, we discussed Musk's philosophy on taking calculated risks. His willingness to embrace uncertainty has led to remarkable successes, reminding us that stepping outside our comfort zones can yield significant rewards. We also delved into the importance of investing in yourself. Continuous learning and skill enhancement are vital for personal and professional growth, as demonstrated by Musk's own commitment to self-education. By prioritizing your development, you can position yourself for future opportunities. Additionally, we examined the power of networking and collaboration. Musk's strategic partnerships have played a crucial role in his ventures, illustrating that building relationships can open doors to new possibilities and financial success. Finally, we highlighted the significance of thinking outside the box. Musk's innovative approaches to problem solving have led to groundbreaking advancements, encouraging us to challenge traditional methods and embrace creativity in our own lives. As you reflect on these insights, consider how you can apply Musk's unconventional strategies to your financial endeavors. If you found this video valuable, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit from these lessons. Together, we can explore more valuable content that empowers you on your path to financial success. Thank you for watching.